Here are 10 facts about the Akan people. 1. One big family of many tribes. The Akan aren't just one group, they're made up of many subgroups like the Ashanti, Fandiakupam, Akim, and Bono. Each has its own vibe and history, but they all share deep cultural and language roots. 2. Your bloodline runs through mama. Akan people follow a matrilineal system, meaning your mother's side determines your family line, inheritance, and even leadership rights. Mama name big. 3. The golden stool is sacred. In Ashanti tradition, the golden stool sika dwa isn't just royal furniture, it holds the soul of the nation. No one sits on it, ever. It's treated with pure reverence. 4. Kente ain't just fashion, that bright, bold cloth you see at graduations and African festivals. That's kente, created by Akan weavers. Every color and pattern means something, from power and peace to wisdom and wealth. 5. Day names like Kofi and Akasua. Akan people name children based on the day they were born. So if you name Kofi, Kwame, or Akua, give thanks, you're repping tradition that lives on in Jamaica and beyond. 6. Royalty and respect still reign. The Akan have a deep system of chiefs and kings, with powerful leaders like the Asantehene. Even today, traditional rulers hold real authority and community pride. 7. Symbols that speak. The Akan use Adinkra symbols, little designs, that carry big meanings. You'll see them on clothes, walls, tattoos. One symbol, one proverb, one powerful lesson. 8. African strength in the diaspora. Plenty Akan people were brought to the Caribbean during slavery. In places like Jamaica, you can still feel their spirit in our language, beliefs, music, and food. 9. A nation built on power. The Ashanti Empire and Akan Kingdom once stood strong against British invaders. They had gold, warriors, and strategy. Real African resistance. 10. Spiritual vibes still run deep. The Akan believe in a creator, Naim, nature, spirits, and most importantly, ancestors.